Okay, so how to solve exponential equation leading to quadratic equation. The first thing to do, notice that 3 raised to power 2x is the same thing as 3 raised to power x bracket 2. So if that is the case, that means here we now have 3 raised to power x bracket 2 minus 10 bracket 3 raised to power x plus 9 equal to 0. So we can change 3 raised to power x to any letter. So let 3 raised to power x be b. So we replace now. Anywhere you see 3 raised to power x, you substitute b. So here we have b raised to power 2, that is b squared minus 10 bracket b plus 9 equal to 0. If you clear the bracket here, you are going to have b squared minus 10b plus 9 equal to 0. So if that is the case, you can factorize here. If you factorize here, you are going to have x to be equal to 1, or you are going to have b to be equal to 1 or b to be equal to 9. But remember, we are not looking for b, we are looking for x. So you replace b is equal to 3 raised to power x when b is equal to 1. Then 3 raised to power x is equal to 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, so you can replace 1 to be 3 raised to power 0, and that will give us 3 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power 0. Here cancel here, our x is equal to 0. When b is equal to 9, you replace 3 raised to power x equal to 9, and 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2. So you have 3 raised to power x equal to 3 raised to power 2. 3 cancel 3 here, or generalize, you have that x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 0 or x equal to 2. So solve your own and let me see your answer under the comment section. Thanks for watching.